Did you finish recording a video only to see an upload failed error in Loom? This can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to share important content quickly. The good news is that most upload issues can be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the Loom upload failed error in 2026. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Loom uploads videos to the cloud, so a weak or interrupted connection can easily cause upload failures. Sometimes Loom automatically retries failed uploads. Give it a few moments to see if the upload resumes on its own before making major changes. Close Loom completely and reopen the application or browser tab. Restarting often clears temporary glitches that may interfere with uploads. Check that your device has enough available storage space. Low storage can sometimes affect Loom's ability to process and upload recordings properly. Make sure you're using the latest version of Loom. Updates frequently include bug fixes, performance improvements, and upload reliability enhancements. If you're connected through a VPN, firewall, or restricted network, try temporarily disabling it or switching to another connection. Network restrictions can sometimes block uploads. After completing these steps, attempt the upload again. If the issue persists, check Loom's service status or contact support for additional assistance. And that's how to fix the Loom upload failed error in 2026. By checking your connection, updating the app, and resolving common network issues, you can usually get your videos uploaded successfully. So try these fixes and get your content shared without delays. Thanks for watching.